Guys, so fun stuff we're gonna do today. My part came in for the transfer case. Grab some tools. Gonna head over to the shop, get the adapter put on for the transfer case to the transmission so we can get it mounted in there so the cross member can be done, so we can get it back here so I can finish the rest of it. But look at this sky. I'm not gonna lie, the last thing I want to do after being in the car for a total of 4 hours today is get back in the car, but I'm really excited about this Jeep stuff, so let's get it. We're here at the shop now.
What's up?
Mr. Brady.
What's going on?
What's going on, buddy? Sorry for the poor audio, but basically what's happening is that I got the adapter for the transfer case. I'm running a Dana 300 to the 5-speed, and they won't bolt up with the way that the 300 is like clocked normally, so I have to get an adapter ring to like clock it up flat. And it is back here somewhere. I stash it here so I can find it later. I'm sorry, I had to pull off the good mic so I could put this light on because we just lost all of the light. This is really hard with one hand. Something's leaking. There she is. 300. I don't know if I'm going to be able to have time to do it tonight, but I got to get the transfer case seated up against the back of the trans so Mark can do the cross member, and then that's the last thing that needs to happen here at the shop, and then it's going back to my house.
Milkshakes, bitches.
So since I've never done one of these before, I don't exactly know how they work. I know how they work in theory, but I spent a long time explaining it the wrong way. So basically disregard everything I just fucking said. Disregard everything I just said because Brady just fucking schooled me because I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. So we're going to try this again. After I fucking explained it wrong. So basically I have to get these studs out. This ring goes on here. These bolts. This bolt, focus, whatever. This bolt goes into here like this. Into those existing holes. And then we use these to screw in here in whatever pattern that we need for the bell housing or the end of the... Why can't I fucking talk today? And then these screw in any one of these configurations so that we can clock the transfer case whichever way it needs to be, like that. So first thing I gotta do is get these two out, clean up these holes right here, and we can get this bolted on. You might be asking yourself why I'm running the bolts in before I put the ring on. The transfer case had been sitting out a while, so I just wanted to make sure that they would all thread in. And it took me over 3 minutes to get this lined up, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up. Alright, so we got all the bolts in here, all lined up. As you can see, it took me a little while to get it all lined up. Now we're going to throw some Loctite on and sink them in.
You just swallow still? What?
Is that a bug? Did you just throw up?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm close though. He just throw up his hammer in with no bread. No.
Alright, there we go. We got that bolted on. Since the Jeep's kind of packed back there, I'm not going to try and lug it and get under there in the dark, so that'll be for another day. But this is more progress than I've made in like 9 months, which is sad to say. Got this bolted on, and then like I said, these guys go in here in whatever configuration is necessary. I obviously still need to do the twin sticks. Need to get it cleaned up a little bit, but this is good for now. The way I look at it, any progress with this is good. So thank you guys for ordering me this stuff. Whoa, lightheaded. Now we're just gonna sit and talk and hang out. And thus ends our adventure for today. It was great talking to Brady and Marc as always. Thank you guys for letting me use the shop for a little bit. Appreciate it. I'm gonna head home now. Go to sleep. Been up since 3. Super tired. This light's really bright. Have a good night, guys.